Honda has revealed the new 2027 Honda Prelude HRC, a high-performance version of its revived coupe developed in collaboration with Honda Racing Corporation, HRC. This limited edition model takes the standard Prelude's hybrid platform and elevates it with sharper dynamics, aerodynamic enhancements, exclusive tuning, and a more aggressive character, making it a true driver's car in the compact coupe segment. The Prelude HRC features an upgraded version of Honda's two-motor hybrid system. The 2-liter Atkinson cycle inline-4 is paired with more powerful electric motors for a combined output of approximately 230 horsepower and increased torque. HRC-specific tuning sharpens throttle response and improves power delivery across the rev range. The hybrid system retains its smooth, efficient character, but gains a more engaging S+ shift mode with quicker simulated gear changes via paddle shifters. The chassis has been significantly revised with stiffer springs, revised dampers, larger anti-roll bars, and upgraded brakes for sharper handling and better stopping power. Available all-wheel drive on select variants enhances traction and cornering capability. The Prelude HRC transforms the Prelude into a more dynamic and responsive machine while maintaining strong fuel efficiency. The Prelude HRC stands out with exclusive aerodynamic enhancements and sporty detailing. It features a more aggressive front splitter, side skirts, a prominent rear diffuser, and a subtle rear wing that improve high-speed stability and downforce. HRC badging, unique 19-inch wheels with performance tires, and available matte paint finishes give it a purposeful, track-inspired look. The overall design retains the standard Prelude's sleek coupe proportions, but adds visual aggression through blacked-out accents, red brake calipers, and HRC-specific graphics. The result is a striking balance between elegant grand touring style and performance-oriented flair.
Inside, the Prelude HRC embraces a more performance-oriented atmosphere. Deeply bolstered sports seats with HRC embroidery and Alcantara inserts, a flat-bottom steering wheel with red accents, and carbon fiber trim create an exciting cockpit. The latest digital displays include performance-focused graphics and G-force monitoring. Premium materials and ambient lighting maintain a luxurious feel, while the 2+2 seating layout offers decent practicality. The cabin is comfortable for daily driving, yet focused enough for enthusiastic sessions. Available features like a premium audio system and advanced driver assistance systems ensure it remains refined for long journeys. The 2027 Honda Prelude HRC is expected to start from approximately $38,500 in the United States, with higher optioned models reaching the mid-$40,000 range. As a limited production model developed with HRC, availability will be restricted. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in early 2027.